Unong elam ka BJP Uritura Sinha National Secretary laong baka BJP ka Dawa baka Sorkar Meghalaya kan Aikam Sorkar ye way na kaway pakaway ka Longïing ka Shah Siat yap hakipulit Assam dangshan ha Mukroh. Habakran mental ka arpu pratrik naiwing arja arpuar usinaha ulat heru ye mentri ka tanat kampoying ka jela ulak men rimboy ba ula phiel bad ula day ban hiar shuki no.
Visited Mukroh personally with a delegation of our state president, Mr. Mauri, our minister here, Mr. Shah, also our senior leader and MLA, Mr. A.L. Harji. We were there last evening in the village. I met with all the 5 families that have lost their loved ones. I'd like to say 2-3 things. Number one, BJP has gone to the village and extended financial assistance to each of the families and shared their sorrow. Most other political parties have not even taken the pain of traveling all the way. Trends the ones who have from the media. Number 2, and we believe that if the neighboring state, Assam State Police, has acted out of line, judicial inquiry has already been constituted. We are appealing to the CM of Assam, our BJP leader, and a delegation led by Mr. Mauri is going to meet him on 30th to present our case and say that if Assam police has acted out of line, strongest action should be taken. But at the same time, I would like to raise 2 questions. First question is, the Home Minister of this state hails from UDP, he hails from Jaintia region. The way the police is managed in Meghalaya, with everything centered around Shillong and not adequate support for the people in the interior areas, I think it is time for the Home Minister to take some responsibility. He should resign because he has been unable to discharge his duties. At the same time, we also humbly request the CM of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangmaji. I have met the families personally. Some of them are 39-year-old person, 40-year-old person, 4 children, 5 children, underage children. They have a whole life to look after. I urge CM Meghalaya to kindly give one government job to each of the persons who has lost life. Each family deserves support from the government. In the long term, they should be given government job. That is our appeal. We will be writing to the government about this. Humbly request all people that violence is not going to be a solution to this problem. Attacking outsiders, stopping roads is not going to solve the issue. We need to sit down on the table and talk. And we will try our best that BJP, even as we are not fully in power here, we are only a small ally in the coalition, we will fully try to support the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam to come together and solve the people's problem. BJP stands with the people of Meghalaya, stands with the people of Jaintia Hills, stands with the people of Mukroh village especially, and we will do our best to support.